In the previous Drupal 8 tutorials, I show you how to install Drupal 8 on Ubuntu Linux and how to create a custom content type for a bike selling website. Here is the bike custom content type with the fields I defined, like man, women, boy or girl's bike, a picture and a price field. And here you define the form layout, and here you define how to display the fields. In the previous tutorial I show you how to use this custom content type in combination with views. I create a view called bike, and here I display some fields and I add filters, the filter criteria, and finally it gives this result in a block. I create the filters. If you want to select a race, a city, a mountain e-bike or a kid's bike, a men's, women, boy or girl's bike, a new or a used bike, and you apply the filters. Here you see the result of the selection. If you select a race bike and a new race bike, apply, you see only new race bikes, and if you select on this bike you see the details of the race bike for the man. In this tutorial I will show you how to set account settings and permissions for the custom content type. We go to account settings. In this example, a visitor can register a new account with any approval of the administrator. And on the tab Welcome page you see the welcome message that is sent to the new user that has just registered on the site. Click on Save Configuration. Under the People tab you can add a new user as an administrator. You can set permissions and you can create roles. The default are anonymous user, authenticated user and administrator user. You can create a new one. I will use the authenticated user in this example. And here you see the permissions. I search now for the bike content type and have a look. Now we will allow the authenticated user to create new content, and we will allow to delete his own content, created content, and edit his own created content. And we will save these permissions. And I go back to the main page. And I will open another browser. I was working in Chrome as browser, now I go to Firefox. And here I'm not signed on as a user. And here I click on the bike tab and you see here a race bike, a new race bike, apply. Anonymous user can see the data. Now I will create a new account and go to create. and I will fill in a test email address, test@jglservices.com, and the user is a test user. I can add a picture to it. I don't do it now. Create new account. And now I will switch to the webmail of the test@jglservices. I will go to the inbox and I see my welcome mail. It's just sent by the registration. If I click on the link, I have here my one-time login screen. Click on login and I can give the new password for this user and confirm this password, and I can add a picture if I want and save. Now this user can create content. And the title is Nice City Bike Man. And it's a used bike. It's a man's bike. And it's type city. And it is 250 euros. I can add a picture. There's my picture. And specify the alternative text. A city bike. And the body text. A very nice city bike. Almost new. And save the content. Now I can search for the city bikes, a city bike man, and apply. And I see two city bikes, and one is the new added city bike. And here you see my used bike. If you like these tutorials, click on the like button and or subscribe button to see my upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.